First of all, theory of computation means what? What is the theory of computation? How we learn about the theory of computations. Okay. Theory means we just discussed for theorem part and numerical part and theory part. These are all discussed for theory of computation. Okay. Theory of computation, there are many types of the normal forms are there and finite automata. So many automations are there. Okay. In that topics we are discussed for normal forms of CFG. In that normal forms of this is the one of the main topic of theory of computations. Okay. In that normal forms of CFG means, first of all, what is CFG means? Contrast free grammar. Okay. Contrast free grammar. In that contrast free grammar, what we have discussed in that for normal forms. Okay. First of all, what is that means? In that contrast free grammar, we just give a notation for G is equal to D epsilon of RS. What is that notation means? These are the grammar representation of theory of computation. In that contrast free grammars, we are giving the representation. In that representations, we are discussing for Chomsky normal forms and Riemann normal forms. These are the main two things for the normal forms of CFG. Okay. Then how we have to simplify the contrast free grammars. In the simplifications of contrast free grammars, we have things for I already said for two things are there. First one is the Chomsky normal forms and then another one is for the Riemann normal forms. These are the two forms. In the two forms we are discussing for terminals and non-terminal symbols are there. First of all, what is terminals and another one is for non-terminals. Everything we have to starting for means we just start for start symbol. That one is for epsilon production. Okay. We just start the symbol for epsilon production and two things I am saying more for non-terminal generating the single terminals. What is the single terminal means? We are discussing for suppose I am giving for A equal to A means in that A will be taken. Okay. If I am giving the terminals for A equal to A of A means they are not accepted the terminals. For what reason they are not accepted means because I am giving for only single terminals. That only they are considered for A is equal to A1. If they are giving for two terminals means A is equal to BC. If I am giving two terminals means A is equal to BC. They are accepted the conditions. If I am giving the conditions for A equal to BCD means they are not accepted the condition. Afterwards we have to not solve the problems. These are the difference between for single terminals and two terminals, two non-terminals conditions are there. The single terminals means what is the terminals? Here I am giving for A is equal to A. These are all the terminals. And then non-terminals, when you terminals, non-terminals also A equal to I am giving for caps A, caps B and small a, small b. These are all for the terminals. Okay. These are the two important things of normal forms of context free grammars, Chomsky and Riemann forms. If that Riemann normal form is, we just satisfy the condition and we have to solve the simplification also. Simplification of context free grammar is there and simplification of Chomsky normal forms and simplifications of Riemann normal forms. Two important problems are there. These are the important things. And then we just convert it for contrast free grammar into Chomsky normal forms and the Chomsky contrast free grammar into Riemann normal forms are also there in the conditions. Then in the Riemann normal forms we just start the conditions. Anything we have to start the condition means we just start symbol S equal to epsilon. Epsilon is for the start symbol. Every conditions we are giving start means that is we are giving for the epsilon conditions. And non-terminal generating followed by the terminals and non-terminals. First of all, steps are there in the Riemann normal forms. What are the steps? I am giving for a few steps for to solve the Riemann normal forms. For the first step is we have to convert it for contrast free grammar into Riemann normal forms. That is the main thing for the first step. Then step 2 means we have to rename the terminals and non-terminals. That is for the step 2 for Riemann normal forms. Then step 3. Step 3 means we just consider the things. We just consider the either greater than or smaller than or less than or equal to. These are conditions for the step 3. And step 4. Step 4 means we just remove the left we just follow the protection, that is for the step 5. These are the 5 steps we have to follow in for the Reebok normal forms. Okay. Then other things, Reebok normal forms, these are the problems we have to face it for contrast with grammar to Reebok normal forms and Reebok to normal forms.